Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create and use custom roster in College Football 27 Dynasty. Before I start, let me clear you, there is no direct way available in game by which you can create custom roster and use it, but I have the workaround. For that, just go to create and share. Right here, you're gonna see the option rosters. Select that, select the option manage players. And right here on this window, you can hold LT on Xbox or L2 on PlayStation to be able to select the team where you would like to make changes. Let's say we choose California. Okay, you can also make changes on multiple teams if you like. Now here we need to basically look for the player which is editable. Like let's say if we select this one and select the option edit player, we'll see that the player is not editable because we don't have option to change the bio and all that stuff. So for that, in order to find the editable player, just scroll and you have to try your luck on different type of players and eventually you'll find someone whom you can edit. So let's try our luck with this guy. Select edit player, and here you can see we have option to change appearance. It means that we can basically edit this player. You can change physique, basically like height, weight. You can also change the body type. On top of that, you can also change player bio, like you can just change the player name. Let's say we name him Jack, so let me type Jack here, and I also want to change the last name into Phil. Once you're done, simply hit the back button. You can also change rating, apparel, it is up to you. But once you're done, simply hit the back button again and the changes will be saved on your game. You can see the name is changed. Just like that, you can edit whatever number of players you would like. Now once you're done, simply hit the back button, select the option save. And now we just need to name this roster file. I'm gonna name it TY and simply gonna hit the done button. Now you can see the file is successfully saved. It means that we can go to the next step, and it is that just go to create and share again. This time we're gonna select the option manage files, select the option load and delete files. Here we need to go to roster tab, and this is a file which we have saved. So simply in order to load this file, we need to press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation. Select yes, and you can see the file is loaded successfully. Now simply back out, and here we need to go to Dynasty now. Select the option start, and here on this window, doesn't matter if you turn on or off Cloud Dynasty, but make sure to turn on active roster. And once you do that, select the option continue, and it will simply gonna start importing. So wait for a few seconds. Okay guys, you can see the importing is done. So here we're gonna see the window to make some changes on our Dynasty. So wait for it to load. Once it is loaded, you will see options like Dynasty settings. You can just open this to make changes on your Dynasty, like you can change skill level, coach firing and all that good stuff. But for instance, we'll simply select the option advanced. Now here simply select the school you would like to proceed with. I'm gonna choose this one. Select your role and simply create your coach if you like, or you can simply proceed with the current one. Now simply sign the contract and let's see if we are using our custom roster or not. So for that, what we can do, we can go to the tab team, and in the team tab you're gonna see the option view roster. Select that. As you might know, we made changes on California, so simply we're gonna hold LT or L2 and select California over here, and just we need to look for HP, like again hold RT on Xbox or R2 on PlayStation, and we're gonna select HP because our player was in HP. So you can see this is a player which we have created, or this is how you'll able to check whether you are using custom roster or not. So we are using custom roster, and this is the workaround which you can use to create and use custom roster in Dynasty in College Football 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.